Hi, this is Bruce, and today we're going to look at how to install WordPress. We can obviously go to wordpress.org and download or get the WordPress version that we need and install it. But usually web hosts, they have some sort of way of installing WordPress automatically, as does our Azer server. So you can see once you log into your site on AZ3, then you can go to install WordPress. And here we can define our settings. So you can see obviously it's suggesting I install it into the root of my website. Make sure you put another path here. I'm going to use blog or weblog for the my path. I'm going to make it give it a title of Bruce's blog. We'll use none for the plugin or theme set. I'm going to change the language to English Canada. We want to always use the most recent version, and this you can see right now it's 5.9, and we want to also keep it up to date. After that, we've got our administrative password. So I'm going to put Norton B, and then a password. And I'm just going to paste my password down here. Obviously, I will be changing this as soon as this video is over. And then you can see I've got the email. For the database, you can see here that it's creating the database prefixed with WP, and then you can see the tables are going to be created also with a prefix and a database username and password, which we probably don't have to worry about for right now. After that, in the settings, we want to make sure that it will update automatically, right? So all minor and major updates. After that, we want to make sure that we've got security updates that are auto-installing. The disadvantage of this is sometimes an update can break something that you've programmed, but it's still better in our case to have a more secure site. Once you've selected those things, you can click install. You can see down here, it's installing, only takes a couple of minutes. So it's installed, and it's asking me if I want to install plugins. I'm going to say no thank you for now. So now we can see we've got it. We've got our install. So if I go to my home page, then you can see this is what I've got on my blog for the moment. In order to manage WordPress, we can come, once we're signed in and we're in the WordPress, we can click on Login, and this should take us to the dashboard. So from the dashboard is where we can manage our WordPress site, including installing, including writing posts, creating pages, uploading or managing media, images and videos, managing comments if we've got comments open, changing themes, right, so that we can download and install themes or create our own custom theme, installing plugins for forms and things like that, managing the users of our site, which we will be doing for our projects, as well as there's some other tools that we can use for the site. Plus there's settings, so we can see here we've got the address and different information on the site as well. I hope this helps.